What's up, guys? Over here we have a 2022 Acura TLX Type S. Came through, got a Muffy D. This car is brand new, yo, it's so sick. Let's check it out. It's stock all the way from the cat all the way back. This is where we did most of the work right here. We ran 2.5-inch piping and threw those mufflers off. There they are on the floor. DJ took care of it. He's on his lunch break eating yogurt, actually Go-Gurts and Danimals. Anyway, and we got these dual chrome tips, actually quad, but they look fresh. Let me know what you think in the comments. Check out this blue, yo. We're gonna see it in the sun. I'm gonna give you some revs. All right, we're gonna bring it down and fire it up.